This segment is sponsored by RDTV. It's that time of year when holiday prep can be stressful and calorie heavy, but fortunately, registered dietitian Beth Warren shows us how to fuel the day with flavorful, better for you recipes the whole family can enjoy.
You guys are always asking me how I get it through my day. As a busy mom of 6 kiddos and a crazy work schedule with clients and deadlines, I have to admit, it's a lot. But a little planning goes a long way, and it all starts with how you fuel your day. Morning workouts keep me sane, but I need some fuel if I'm going to literally roll with the punches. Wonderful Halos are a must-have because they give me that natural burst of energy to help me power through my day. Halos are also an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps support a healthy immune system. Plus, they're also snackable and packable, perfect for my kids to pack for a healthy lunch at school. Plus, they're sweet, seedless, and easy to peel, which means even Smush can eat them by herself. And bonus, they're available now until the end of May. My nutrition clients are always asking me, how do I avoid overeating? As a dietitian, I can tell you that Wonderful Pistachios will help make you feel fuller longer. That's because 90% of the fat in pistachios is from that better for you monounsaturated fat. That means you get a balance of a fiber, protein, fat trio that is sure to leave you satisfied. When I'm cooking dinner for this crew, I've got to keep things nutritious and delicious. So I make that clean plate crew over here happy. On the menu for dinner tonight is pistachio encrusted salmon. Wonderful Pistachios add a savory crunch to this favorite fish dish. We're adding some Wonderful Halos to some red onion, fresh red pepper, cilantro, and a burst of lime juice for a bright and fresh salsa that pairs perfectly with our salmon. What do you think of that, girls?
Looks yummy!
These yummy, Wonderful Pistachios are so good for you. You may not even realize it, but they're a complete protein. They provide 6 grams of plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber per serving. Plus, there's a flavor that everyone would enjoy. Now, if I could just get them to agree on who does the dishes, we'll be good.
Now that's some energy, right? Make sure you follow Beth on social media at Beth Warren and look out for Palm Wonderful products through January in the refrigerated produce section.